to our first trimester awards assembly. We are so excited that you are all here today. We are going to be reading awards, and it's going to be a little, I hear, is that you? Is somebody's mic on? I hear some background.
My mic is on because I'm presenting.
No, yours, yes, but I think somebody here, I don't know who it is. Mia, I think your mic's on. If you could turn it off. Please make sure your mics are off, okay, boys and girls? Yeah, I think Mia, it was you, honey. Thank you. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to get started. We're going to do things a little differently because we're going to be sharing by grade level and by award. So here we go. We are going to first start with our outstanding students in reading, writing, and math. And you'll see what you got it for because on this Mata's presentation, it shows the name and what area. So Cameron Moniz for lectura, reading. Isis Gonzalez, lectura, writing. Delilah Carrillo, I'm sorry, that was reading. Delilah Carrillo, escritura, for writing. Selena Valencia, in escritura. Edgar Nathan Rodriguez, in matemáticas. Frankie Lopez, in matemáticas. Solomon Castillo, in reading. Elena Lobbins, in reading. Osiris Lobbins, in writing. Jordy Ramirez, in writing. Orion Nelson, in math. Yom Lemecha, in math. Alina Godbot, in reading. Ricardo Castillo, in reading. Juliana Luevano, in writing. Mia Gomez, in writing. Carlos Gutierrez, in math. Ricardo Castillo, in math. Ryan Sanchez, in reading. Sophia Shimono, in reading. Maya Rodriguez, in writing. Sophia Shimono, in writing. Isaac Vendana, in math. Damian Magallanes, in math. Sophia Viela, I'm sorry, Sophia Viela, in lectura. Kenzie Quevedo, in lectura. Benjamin Campos, en escritura. Mauricio Morales, en escritura. I got kicked out. Miss Mata, are you still there?
I thought I got kicked out. Okay, let me go back. We are glad you're back.
See, it's just like when you're in class. Sometimes there's technology issues. Okay, here we go. We did Mauricio, correct? Yes. Logan Serrano, Mathematicas. Jacob Castaneda, Mathematicas. Jaden Chavez, en lectura. Mike should be off, reminder. Jaden Chavez in Mathematicas. Efren Reyes en lectura. Noel Banuelos en escritura. Celeste Alvarado en escritura. Dominic Reese Ayala en Mathematicas. Emiliano Montanez en Mathematicas. Dallas Gonzalez in reading. Jocelyn Ramirez in writing. Luke Gonzalez in math. Great job for all of the students for outstanding reading and writing and math in first and second grade. Yeah. Okay, boys and girls, for most improved in reading, writing, and math. In lectura, Manuel Flores. I'm going to hold on really fast because someone has their mic on and there's a lot of background noise. So if everyone can please check their mics. It's someone that starts with an N. That's all I can see. If you could please at this time check your mic so everyone can hear clearly, we would really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. I think it went, oh, nope, it's still on. Somebody has their mic. Oh, thank you. It went off. Now it's just Miss Mata. Okay, thank you. For most improved in escritura, Lily. For most improved in mathematicas, Ruben Caldera. Most improved in mathematicas, Alexander Roman. Most improved in reading, Orion Nelson. Most improved in writing, Yom Lemecha. Most improved in math, Jordi Ramirez. Most improved in reading, Sarah Alvarez. Most improved in writing, Carlos Gutierrez. Most improved in math, Edward Jasso. Most improved in reading, Leah Perez. Most improved in writing, Michael Torres. Most improved in math, Eddie Vasquez. Most improved in math, Mia Sanchez. Most improved in escritura, Emmanuel Murillo Gomez. Most improved in mathematicas, Annabel Najera. Most improved in lectura, Juliana Salinas. Most improved in escritura, Nicholas Gonzalez. Most improved in mathematicas, Daniel Velasquez. Most improved in reading, Isaac Torres. Most improved in writing, Brielle Torres. Most improved in math, Giovanni Reese. Great job. Yeah, keep it up, boys and girls. Great job. And now for Teacher's Choice. For outstanding in reading, writing, and math, Miles Doris. For outstanding in reading, writing, and math, Mia Pacias. For improvement in writing and math, Caitlin Ortiz. For always trying her best to learn every day, Samantha Molina. For steadily improving in reading, writing, and math, Jaden Martinez. For making wise choices, always trying her best, and actively participating in class, Alina Alvarez. For being responsible in class by showing up on time for our meetings and completing all her work, Juliana Luevano. For being responsible and a class helper, he helps students when they are having computer issues, Noah Martinez. For being a caring friend, he is first to jump in and cheer up a friend when they are upset or frustrated in class, Isaac Bendana. Por siempre veniendo a clase con una sonrisa y una actitud positiva, Noah Maldonado. Por siempre siendo un participante activo en la clase, Jeremiah Kenny. For overall academic improvement, Daniela Herrera. For overall academic improvement, Aiden Carlos. For Gigi, Math a Magician, most puzzles completed, Luke Gonzalez. For meeting weekly usage goals, Imagine Learning, Dallas Gonzalez. Great job, boys and girls. Great job. Lots of awards. I see so many smiling faces. Keep it up. And guess what? We have one last award to give, and that's citizenship. So, woo, here we go. There's a lot of names, which is great. Citizenship, Ruben Caldera. Jacob Camacho. Delilo Carrillo. Summer Cadillo. Christian Donis Orantes. Miles Doris. Ermiliana Escutia. Manuel Flores. Lily Garcia. Isis Gonzalez. Ramiro Gonzalez. Francisco Lopez. Mia Maldonado. Cameron Moniz. Caitlin Ortiz. Mia Pacias. Edgar Nathan Rodriguez. Alexander Roman. Jorge Valdivia. Selena Valencia. Araline Villarreal. Solomon Castillo. Samantha Molina. Osiris Lobbins. Orion Nelson. Jordi Ramirez. Jaden Martinez. Elena Lobbins. Sarah Alvarez. Ricardo Castillo. Elena Godbot. Carlos Gutierrez. Juliana Luevano. Nikolai Moore. Rosalind Cerna. Soraya Evans. Noah Martinez. Leah Perez. Maya Rodriguez. Sophia Shimono. Michael Torres. Benjamin Campos. Jocelyn Martinez. Nicholas Lopez. Mia Mejia Sanchez. Samantha Lopez. Bella Hernandez. Noel Banuelos. Daniela Herrera. Efren Reyes. Aiden Carlos. Luke Gonzalez. Giovanni Reese. Jocelyn Ramirez. Brielle Torres. Dallas Gonzalez. And Isaac Torres. Yeah, great job, boys and girls. We like to cheer you on. We brought our Peanuts gang with us to cheer you on. We can't thank you all enough for coming to our first trimester awards ceremony. We want to first off thank our teachers for all their hard work. They are sure prepping and planning and figuring out everything. They've done an amazing job. Staff, thank you. Parents, can't thank you enough for your continued support. We know that it is not easy right now. And boys and girls, wow. You boys and girls amaze us every single day. You persevere, you are focused, and you're doing your work. So thank you for your hard work. And you know that we do this. I'm going to do it with you guys. I don't know about the kinders, but because you're now first and second graders, we always want to thank our parents, our family members, and family members, thank you, because I know so many of you are helping with helping with the kids at home. So thank you. We always have to say thank you to our teachers, the aides that are helping us, and all of our families and parents. So I'm going to let you, I don't know if I'll regret this, but I'm going to let you, on the count of 3, say thank you. You're going to turn your mic off on the count of 3. Hold on, wait till I count to 3. And you're going to say thank you, but then you're going to turn your mic right back off, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, turn your mics off. Oh, I love how some of you are listening. Boys and girls, have a great day. Go back to your class or where your teacher.
Thank you.
And that's you for your support. Bye-bye.